Are you tired of that nagging feeling of needing extra cash? Do you dream of earning money online, but have no idea where to start? In the next 5 seconds, I'm going to show you 3 proven strategies that beginners can use to start making real money online right now. No tech skills needed, no huge investments, just practical ways to boost your income from home. Stick around. Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're cutting through the noise and focusing on practical, beginner-friendly ways to earn money online. There's a lot of information out there, but these 3 strategies stand out for their accessibility and potential. Strategy number 1. Freelance writing. What is it? Freelance writing means you get paid to write content for other people or businesses. This could be anything from blog posts, website content, social media captions, or even product descriptions. Why is it beginner friendly? If you can construct a clear sentence, you can be a freelance writer. Businesses constantly need fresh content, and many are happy to work with new writers to get their message out. You don't need a fancy degree, just a good grasp of grammar and the ability to research topics. It's incredibly flexible, allowing you to work on your own schedule. One easy starting step: set up a profile on a freelance platform like Upwork or Fiverr. Start by offering short articles or blog posts on topics you're already familiar with. You can also build a simple portfolio by writing a few sample articles on a free blogging site. The key is to just start putting your work out there. Strategy number 2. Online surveys and microtasks. What is it? This involves completing short online tasks like answering surveys, testing websites, categorizing images, or transcribing audio. Companies pay for this data and feedback to improve their products and services. Why is it beginner friendly? This is perhaps the easiest entry point into online earning because it requires absolutely no prior experience. If you have an opinion and access to the internet, you can do this. It won't make you rich overnight, but it's a consistent way to earn small amounts of money in your spare time, like while watching TV or commuting. One easy starting step: sign up for reputable survey sites such as Swagbucks, Survey Junkie, or Amazon Mechanical Turk. Explore a few to see which ones offer tasks that you find most engaging. Be consistent, and those small earnings will start to add up. Strategy number 3. Becoming a virtual assistant. What is it? A virtual assistant, or VA, provides administrative, technical, or creative assistance to clients remotely. This could involve managing emails, scheduling appointments, social media management, data entry, or even basic graphic design. Why is it beginner friendly? Many people already possess transferable skills from their day jobs or personal lives that are perfect for a VA role. Are you organized, good at managing your own schedule? Can you answer emails professionally? These are all valuable VA skills. Plus, you can start by offering just 1 or 2 services you're confident in. One easy starting step: identify 2 to 3 services you could confidently offer, for example, email management, basic social media posting, data entry. Then, market yourself on social media platforms like LinkedIn or even local community groups, letting people know you're available for virtual assistance. You can also look for VA opportunities on platforms like Fancy Hands or Zirtual. So there you have it, 3 effective strategies to start earning money online as a beginner: freelance writing, online surveys and microtasks, and becoming a virtual assistant. Remember, consistency is key with any of these methods. Start small, learn as you go, and watch your online income grow. If you found these strategies helpful and want more actionable finance tips, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you don't miss our next video. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.